More repairs to the MiniTruck. Engine cover has some rust and needs repairing. A little sheet metal, welding, and paint should take care of it. Engine cover repaired and reinstalled with a new gasket. New bolts in the bed, now time for a wax job. Putting the MiniTruck to work, hauling a load of cow manure for the garden. New sun visor for the passenger side of the vehicle. Antenna is broken and needs to be replaced with a new one. MiniTruck making it to the car show at Triad Baptist Church. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.